Hello there again, everybody. I hope you all are having a great Friday. I have been having a great Friday playing with makeup and playing in my little studio. And I may have done a little bit of shopping, but not much. I got a lot of everything on sale, plus I had my coupon, so I got me a little BH Cosmetics haul. You guys, I love BH Cosmetics. They were one of the very first colorful palettes that I ever bought, and started playing with color and realizing that like it was a lot of fun and very therapeutic. So today I got this is the one I'm most excited about, you guys. This is called the BH Cosmetic Color Festival palette. It's got 20 color eyeshadow palettes. And then I also got the It's My Ray Ray palette with BH Cosmetics. It's got 15 colors. And this one I saw, well, I think it was Manny actually. He just reviewed this and I was like really in love with the color, how it's laid out with the color and then the shimmer that matches. I actually really love that, like for my kit. It's gonna be awesome. And then I've also got the contour kit from BH Studio Pro. So let's go ahead and just play with all the stuff that I have, and we'll throw some colors on the eye and just like have fun. All right, yay, let's do it. Okay, so first off, the prices for the It's My Ray Ray palette was $16, and the pricing for the BH Cosmetics Color Festival was $20. And this bad boy was $10. So really, really inexpensive. And check her out, you guys. My lights are so bright. They're shining bright like a diamond. But look, it's got the mattes down here, the shimmers to match the mattes, and then you've got like a couple of transition shades right here with like two little extra like cute little highlights. Love. And then the Color Festival. Look at all these cool colors. I'm so excited. Look at that. So I think, how do I want to start? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to start with the Color Festival palette. And we're just going to work between these two transition shades. Now I'm not going to really go into too much detail on what I'm doing makeup wise. I'm just going to go ahead and do it. I've got the bright lights shining so you can see. If you've noticed, my hair is dry now, and so it's a lot puffier than it was in my video this morning. She's bigger today. But yeah, so hopefully you guys will be able to see the colors as I apply them. But just know I'm going in between these two palettes right here. So let's go ahead and do some makeup therapy and put some color on these eyes. Wow. First shade. And I'm already like, wow. Using the shade Experience. And I am using the mirror that comes with the palette. Now my makeup has held up pretty good throughout my day. I ended up getting a lot of stuff done, and it's actually like, let's see, I filmed that video around 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock this morning, and it's now about 8:39. So yeah, I would say that my makeup, my no makeup has held up pretty well. And if you want to see me put my no makeup look on this morning, watch the last video. You'll see it. But I definitely go through and explain a little bit about what's been going on with me the last couple of months and why I kind of took the time off and where I'm at now. This is so pretty. I'm going to switch on over to the It's My Ray Ray palette for a moment, and I want to try out this yellow that I've heard a bit about. And the other palette does not have a yellow, but the Weekend Festival palette did, so I got both of those now. All right, so we are going in with Canary, which obviously is a yellow. And I don't know what we're doing, but we're going to do something interesting. That's all I know. That is absolutely beautiful. The canary shade in the It's My Ray Ray palette. Arrgh. Next, I am going to go in with Golden Girl, which is the matching yellow shade. And I've got it on my brush. And I'm going to give my brush a spritzity spritz. And this is just going to go just on the very inner corner. Right about here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Can you guys see that? Please tell me you can see it. Holy Moses. That is not messing around. That is gorgeous. Gorga. Wow. I'm in love. All right, going back into the Color Festival palette, I'm going to go in with the shade Groove, which is like a pinky coral type color. And I'm just going light-handed until I get her where I want her. Because I don't want to have to do a whole bunch of blending. Alright, now going back to the Ray Ray palette, and we're going to use the shade Flare, which is right next to Canary. Alright, switching back over to the Color Festival palette, I want to use a little bit of Candy, I think, and Banger, which is like a peach shimmer and a light pink shimmer. Well, I say let's just do it. Let's do it. I'm going to go in with Candy first. Right down the center. Wow, it's really pigmented. All right, and then let's go in with Banger. Ooh. Oh. I dig it. I dig it. Do the same thing on the other side. All right, we will clean up the eyes and finish them off when we are done with the face. Ooh, Flash, honey, Flash. Why won't you calm down, baby? Why are you so bright on me? Okay, so we are just going to powder the face because I've still got my coverage from earlier today, but I'm definitely getting greasy. So we're just gonna powder her down. Until she feels less sticky. No eyebrow fantasy, as always. And we're going to do some contouring with this. I should probably put my hair back. Y'all see that? Don't mind the hair. See? It's pretty no matter how I wear it. Okay, this contour is, I'm loving it. This is the first time I've used it. I've never used this contour kit before. And it is not messing around, yo. You know me. I like to be that floating head when she walks into the room. Well, that is absolutely stunning. Like, whoa. I absolutely love it. I want to go in with the, like, more face powder shades and see if I can't maybe brighten up my under eye. We'll try the yellow one first. That worked. That worked. $10, you guys. $10. Keeping with the BH Cosmetics theme, since they are knocking it out of the park, I'm gonna go in with their Coral Blush. It's super cute. I've shown it to you guys like a million times, but I love this blush. Perfection. All right, last thing I want to show you guys is this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Loose Highlighting Powder. It's got the little zodiac signs on it. I'm sure you've seen it. Well, I just kind of wanted to show you guys what it does. Okay, let me get a good brush for it. I'm going to use this little tiny eyeshadow brush because let me show you. It's all glitter in there. Loose highlighting glitter. I'm going to tap some off and go very light-handed right here. I'm going very light-handed. I'm like, oh god. It's gonna, because it can look really crazy. I usually use this stuff for like special looks. It's very wet looking. This side will show it off much better. Oh my goodness. It's intense, yo. On the eyebrows or the lack thereof. I like putting highlighter on my eyebrows. It's different, it's unusual. It's unexpected. A little down the nose, not much. A little on the cupid's bow. Do you see that? Now all I've got left are my under eyes, my lips, and my lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish that off camera real quick, and I will be right back for the final look. All right, you guys, that is all I have for you. This is the finished look. Now I love every bit of it. I love the eyeshadow. I love the highlight. That's a little too much, but I love that. The lips. Milani in the shade, oh, Sugar Snaps. Sugar Snap Peas. You know, it was right here. I mean, like it's sitting on it. Can't find it. But this is a Milani shade, and it's really nude. It's like that brownie nude, and I really, really dig these shades. So this is all I got for you for tonight. This was kind of a Tuesday and Friday video all rolled into one. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching again, and I hope you guys come back next Tuesday for another video. I will try and do something unexpected, interesting, entertaining, whatevs. I love making these videos, so keep on watching, stay tuned, And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, do whatever you want, and have a wonderful weekend. Bye!